why will it be possible to grow new teeth in your mouth in the future? It is quite possible because scientists are already working on implanting stem cells into the gums. In this video, we will delve into the history of dentistry, talk about scary stories and theories that preceded today's dental treatment. Toothache has plagued us since ancient times. In ancient China, dental fillings were used. In the Middle Ages, wound healers took care of teeth. Pulling teeth was the prerogative of blacksmiths. The dental drill, the feared symbol of dentists, was introduced in 1872 by the American dentist James Beall Morrison. Tooth decay has plagued people since the Stone Age. More than 700 years BC, dentures and bridges were made. The Phoenicians made teeth from ivory and anchored them in the mouth with gold wires. In the Middle Ages, tooth extraction was also used as a punishment. It was a very painful affair. From the surviving records, we can see the frequent deaths of these unfortunates. The Romans and Greeks cleaned their teeth with a toothpick. The Chinese already had toothbrushes. In ancient times, the so-called toothworm became a nightmare. Doctors believed in it. The year was written in 1800 BC, so we are talking about the Mesopotamian period. Doctors afraid of the so-called toothworm. Why and how did they defend themselves against it? Well, the doctor's recommendation was clear. Immediately, stick a needle into the aching tooth and grab the worm by the leg. Others recommended fumigating the worm with incense with narcotic effects. In ancient times and the Middle Ages, new ideas emerged. An Italian doctor recommended filling teeth with gold and encouraged the use of ice packs. In the 16th century, teeth were pulled out with a pelican, a pair of pliers resembling a large pheasant. At that time, an Italian astronomer wrote a theory that teeth were not made of bone. Teeth were organs. The craziest theory was put forward by a doctor, Christian Paulini. He recommended putting raven droppings in a rotten tooth. The tooth would then eventually rot and fall out on its own. According to him, the best way to polish a tooth is with your own urine. He also recommended this for hearing loss. Does that seem crazy to you? Then listen. He concluded his ideas in the book Healing by Beating, where he recommended cracking the sick person with a whip. How ingenious, huh?
Watch full video on Patreon.